Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cook Like Mamta. Today I am making Shankar Poli. This is a very special dish from Karnataka, Maharashtra and all. So this can be a tea time snack, and also this is Deepavali special also. So let us start. I have taken maida here, and this is Bombay Rava. I am adding little salt to this, milk. This is a sweet Shankarpali. Adding sugar which is powdered already. Mix it well so that sugar granule should mix properly, and take hot oil and pour to this. Mix it well. Mix it hand only so that this oil, salt, everything will rava and maida also will bind together. Now I am adding this is milk and sugar mixture. The dough should be little tight, it should not be very hard. It is difficult to roll. Mix it well. Should not add milk at a time. Go on adding a little, seeing the consistency. Yeah, it should be like this, like chapati dough. Keep it aside for 10-15 minutes. Close the lid and keep it. Now I am making for salty Shankarpole. Here also same procedure, like add maida, then Bombay Rava, salt to taste, then jeera. Just crush it and put so that the flavors will be very nice. This is ajwain. Now I am adding kasuri methi. It gives very good flavor to the salty Shankarpole. This is 1 spoon of rice flour which makes more crispy, and hot oil. Mix it well. We have to mix it with hand only so that it get mixed very well. Add milk. This is a plain milk. Yeah, the same consistency like chapati. And now keep it aside for 10-15 minutes, and now I am making the preparation for rolling out the Shankarpole. This is rice flour and oil. This is 1 spoon of rice flour and oil. I am using this for rolling out the Shankarpole. Knead it very well and make equal portions of the dough. Apply flour and roll them. Now the mixture which I made from rice flour and oil. I am applying in between the two rolled out sheets. This is my mom's tip of making shankarpole, which makes shankarpole very crispy and keeps it crispy for longer time. You can store it for 1 week. Roll the dough into a big sheet in the thickness of chapati. Cut them in the shape of diamond shape or any shape if you want. Now fry them in hot oil. The oil should not be very hot, but first we have to check whether oil is hot or not. Just put one piece and check. If it comes up immediately, then our oil is hot. Just flip them. This is very quick process. It does not take even a minute also. You can see the change in the color. Put it on a tissue. Extra oil it will absorb. For salty and sweet, the frying procedure is same. Now follow the same procedure for salty shankarpali also. Salty shankarpali is also ready. Our sweet and salty shankarpali are ready. I hope you all like this recipe and you will try it. If you want to cook like Mamta, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.